IronBOT, developed by Advanced Construction Robotics, ACR, is an innovative robotic system for rebar lifting, carrying, and placement in construction. Operating autonomously using GPS and laser sensors, the self-contained unit's robotic arm can handle up to 5,000 pounds of rebar, positioning it transversely or longitudinally. By automating this labor-intensive and perilous task, IronBOT slashes labor costs, enhances safety, and accelerates construction timelines. Its precise placement ensures consistent quality. With an 8-hour battery life, the versatile IronBOT operates both indoors and outdoors, featuring obstacle sensors for collision avoidance. Compatible with various rebar sizes, this technology heralds a transformative era in construction, already making waves in notable projects and poised for broader adoption. Further details can be found on ACR's website. AquaCell, a novel modular construction technology, utilizes interlocking plastic cells composed of durable, watertight polyethylene to construct diverse structures like retaining walls, basements, and septic tanks. Praised for its speed, efficiency, and eco-friendliness, AquaCell has gained traction across global projects. AquaCell's notable advantage lies in its rapid, uncomplicated assembly. The cells effortlessly interlock, requiring no specialized tools or skills, ideal for urgent projects such as disaster response or quick repairs. Moreover, AquaCell excels in efficiency. The cells can be stacked to form structures of varying sizes and transported conveniently, curbing costs and time investments. Environmentally conscious, AquaCell is crafted from recycled materials and is entirely recyclable. The technology's structures curtail water wastage by minimizing runoff and infiltration, contributing to water conservation. The 6x6 Demountable House, designed by Jean Prouvé in 1944, is a prefabricated dwelling initially intended for post-World War II temporary housing. Crafted from steel and wood, it offers easy assembly and disassembly, with lightweight portability to various sites. This versatile structure serves as a residence, workspace, or school, suitable for disaster relief and short-term housing needs. Key advantages include swift assembly by a small team in days, portability due to its low weight, and adaptability for various functions. Durability is ensured through robust materials, while eco-friendliness stems from its recycled composition and full recyclability. Additional features. Dimensions: 6m x 6m. Interior: 3 rooms, living space, bedroom, bathroom. Capacity: up to 4 occupants. Utilities: electricity, running water, septic system. Price: approximately $50,000. For those seeking an eco-conscious, versatile, and sturdy prefabricated dwelling, the 6x6 Demountable House is a compelling choice. The T-Works is an advanced scaffolding support designed to outperform traditional alternatives. Its versatility is a standout feature, serving various purposes like supporting formwork, providing fall protection, securing loads, and creating temporary platforms. Made of lightweight yet strong aluminum, it can bear up to 1,000 kilograms. The key benefits of the T-Works are its adaptability to diverse tasks and its integrated safety features. Its flexibility makes it efficient for construction projects, while its built-in fall protection system ensures worker safety on elevated platforms. This scaffolding support is a lightweight, robust, and secure tool, beneficial for multiple construction scenarios. Discover Schöck Tronsole, a groundbreaking construction tech that uses elastomeric bearings and steel components to isolate stairs, minimizing noise and vibrations. The system, including shock-absorbing bearings, steel for stability, and anchors for secure placement, reduces noise, enhances safety, prolongs stair life, and boosts energy efficiency. Suitable for various spaces like residences, commercial buildings, and schools. Schöck Tronsole is an adaptable solution for quieter, safer, and more energy-efficient structures. Grouted anchors, employed by BAUER Spezialtiefbau GmbH, are robust foundation anchors that secure structures via steel bars grouted into drilled holes in the ground. The process involves anchor selection, tailored manufacturing, grouting under pressure, and rigorous testing for pull force resistance. Grouted anchors find use in retaining walls, unstable ground support, overhead equipment, landslide prevention, and offshore structures. BAUER Spezialtiefbau GmbH's specialized production guarantees high-quality grouted anchors, offering versatile and reliable solutions for diverse applications. AZEK Trim, a composite exterior trim by AZEK with exceptional resistance to rot, decay, and moisture. It offers various colors and styles to complement any home decor. The benefits include unparalleled durability, low maintenance, weather and fire resistance, and eco-friendliness due to its recycled materials. It suits window, door, soffit, fascia, railing, deck, porch, and patio applications. AZEK Trim requires no upkeep, matches diverse aesthetics, and supports sustainability. It's composed of recycled wood fibers and plastic resins, available in colors like white, beige, brown, and gray. The PIFOREX registered balcony parapet connector, a galvanized steel prefabricated system, seamlessly links balconies to parapets. Comprising anchors, brackets, and weatherproof panels, it's straightforward to install. With support for up to 500 kg/m, resistance to corrosion, swift installation, weather endurance, and aesthetic variety, this system suits diverse balcony applications. It's fitting for residential, commercial, public, and industrial balconies, providing strength, durability, and weather resistance. I appreciate you taking the time to watch my video. If you enjoyed it, please subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends.